Gladiator Roofing and Restoration out here on a beautiful Friday morning out here in Greenfield. We're out here working on these condos. These folks had a leak. We came out, took a look, found some, they had some hail damage. They filed an insurance claim. We came out, advocated on their behalf, got them a brand new roof, getting brand new gutters on every building in here. We met with the HOA. The same gentleman that we met here got us involved in a church over here in Greenfield. We are also going to be doing that church. We're doing several churches here in Greenfield. This project is 126 square. As you can see, it's about 10:30. We've already got it tore off and half of it completed. We're making good progress on this. We handle projects of any size, small, large, it doesn't matter. We have the crews to do anything. We do residential, commercial, whatever the need is, we've got you covered.